pals, welcome back. So now I've got a 2011 Dodge Charger. This is an SE with a sport package, a really nice, cool looking car. For you muscle car appreciators out there, I know that you'll definitely like this one. It's got the premium 20-inch wheels. It's got navigation, Bluetooth, of course, standard. You got push button start. It's a completely keyless system, just like in Nissans and stuff like that. So you just click the button on the outside, you get the key fob with you, you jump on in and then click go. So it's got navigation, it's got heated front seats, you've got backup cam, the Bluetooth. It's got just over 140,000 miles on it. It is a V6, not the V8. So it's got enough power, but it'll certainly get you good gas mileage too. It does qualify well for tough credit and low down payment program. You can definitely inquire on our website or through Facebook, wherever you're finding us. We can certainly work with you on that. Of course, tax time's coming, so we are ready. We've got all the good inventory. Everything is flood-free guaranteed. We got Carfaxes on all of our vehicles, and we stand behind them. We've been in business for over 13 years now, and it shows not only in our reputation online, but in word of mouth. So if there's anything I can do for you, certainly reach out to me. My name's Chase. Thanks for joining us.